Hey everybody, this is going to be the first video in the series for 2022. Now, let me just show you how to start your crypto journey. The first thing I will need you to get is what I use. Let me just go to the Play Store and show you. I use Color Notes. So, install Color Notepad. That's where I save my passphrase and all. Once you've gotten it, go to settings here, click on these three dots and you sign up with your email so that you can back it up regularly, or you save your passphrase in your Google Drive. So I prefer using this one. And once you have this, please make sure you download an app locker and lock your color notes so that nobody else will have access to it. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to Trustwallet. You download Trustwallet on Play Store, and let me show you that. Go to Play Store, you see Trust Wallet. Please download the right one, Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. So let's open it, and we start by creating a new wallet. Create a new wallet. Click this, continue. Now you can set a password. What should I do? Set here. Okay, let me set this just for the tutorial purpose. Okay, now click understand, then I click continue, and to give me this recovery phase, click on copy, and I go to my color notes here to save it. So you can save yours in your Google Drive, but I prefer to save it here. So click on text, click on the title, trust wallet. Okay, so I paste it here. So I click on this arrow, so it has been saved there. You see, I can access it anytime I want to access it. So I click here, no, pin 25. So I click on continue. Now it asks me to verify the phrase. So I go back here. Coach, reopen, increase label. Coach, reopen, release label. Coach, reopen, release. Is it release? I don't think it's increase label. Next is agent marble pilot. Agent marble pilots. Agent marble pilots. Next is cactus indicates work diagram. Cactus indicates work diagram. Indicates work diagram, then annual. So to show you well done, click done. And to create your wallet, now click done, and you can enable this, and you have successfully created a new wallet on Trust Wallet. So if you want to get your video access, just your wallet address for Ethereum here, you click on it, then you click on receive, then you see your wallet address here. As you can see here, see your wallet address. You can just click on copy to copy it and send to anybody you deem fit. Now you can see there's BNB, there's smashing. So this is smashing BNB, and this is just the ordinary BNB BIP20 or BIP2. Sorry, BIP2 BNB, and the smashing here is BIP20 BNB. So I've created a multi-coin wallet. And you can create more wallets by just going to this settings. Click here, and you click on add. Then you create more wallets, or you can import your wallets that you have on other platform and import it here. So you can create more lists. For multi-coin, you can create up to 10 to 15 multi-coin wallets here. So that's basically how to create wallets on crypto wallets on Trust Wallets. Now how to add different cryptocurrency. Click on this one at the top here. Search for the coin USDT. Let's search for USDT. You can see there are various USDT. You can see ERC20 here. This is for USD for ERC20 network. This one is for TRC20 network. This is SPL. This SPL means Solana. So we have the one for Arbitrum, we have the one for Ave, and I spell BIP2. We have for Polygon also. So for you to add any one of them that you need, just click this, let's add this, and let's add one for Polygon, maybe BIP20. You can go back and you see it in your wallets, and you can see it here. Now each one of them has different wallet address. Now let's just look at this one. This one is ERC20. You can see the address is same as your Ethereum address because it's on the Ethereum network. Now let's check the one for Tron. This should be it. Okay, yes, this one Tron is TLC. You can see at the top here, TLC20. You click on receive, you see that the wallet address is different from the previous one I showed you earlier. And click go back, and the one for Polygon is same thing as your ETH address. This is something we call how should I put it for you, EVM. That's Ethereum virtual machine. So this, I've explained this in another video on my YouTube channel. I will drop the link for you to watch and understand what EVM means. So let's move on. This is for BIP2. I think we have for BIP20 also. This is for SPL. This is for RAP SPL. Now let's get for BIP20 also. BIP20 is commonly used. That's for Binance USDT. You can see I've enabled it. Now it's right here. So that's basically how to do it. And in some scenario, you cannot see the tokens via the name. You paste something we call contract address. This I will show in another video for that. So that's basically how to create a wallet on Trustwallet. Thank you for watching, and in my next video you get to see more tutorials. Thank you, and God bless you.